Welcome to another edition of Flex Rental Solutions How-To video webinars. Today we're going to be going over the ability to mark reports as sensitive and restrict access to those reports to certain user groups. To go over the configuration, we can go to System Settings, Report Preferences. Here is the list of all the different reports that we can print out in the system. Some of these are used at what is called instant level, which is if we open up a quote, there would be specific instant level reports that we could print out, such as the default financial document or the quote look A as an example. We also have what we call definition level reports. So as an example, this quote summary is reached by going to reports and quote summary, which we could then filter out and print out a specific list of all the quotes based on whether they were confirmed during a specific start and end date, etc. So if we wanted to limit a specific report, we could go to this report area, preferences, open up the quote, and there's an authorized group setting. Here we have said that for this report called quote summary, only accounting administrators can run this report. If we go to System Settings and Security Groups, we can look at all the different security groups that we have created. So we have an accounting, administrators, etc. If we look at accounting and hit members, we can look to see who are all the members of this group. Right now, Silvio is a member. And let's go to the second level of users. Correct. So there is only one user that belongs to the accounting group. We could also look at this per user by going to System Settings, Users, and we're going to be looking at a specific user called permission. And if we double click that user, it will have all the groups laid out and check marks by each of the groups that he belongs to. Right now he only belongs to the shop techs group. So I'm going to log out. And when we log back in, we're going to log in as this permission person. Now, with these reports marked as only authorized for specific security groups, if I go to reports and quotes for this person, they do not have that quote summary report. It is no longer available because he does not belong to that group. If we open up the page called, or the quote called Test Rental, what you'll see on the right-hand side is we have restricted all of the instant level reports that you would normally see here that we have configured for this system, like quote with pricing, look A, etc. And the generate PDF, we have marked that it contains a report that is sensitive also, so it will not allow him to print that report either. So let's go back and review this one last time. We'll go and log out. I'm going to log back one more time as an administrator or a person with administrative rights. Now, this user belongs to the system administrators. So if we go to reports and quotes, it does have that quote summary report that is able to be printed out by that user. And I'm going to open up a quote. Let's go and search quotes. I'm not finding that. Let's just go to a different report then. So we're going to open up a quote and look at all the instant level reports that this person can view. So we've marked many of these as sensitive to specific groups, but this person is an administrator, so they can see all these different reports and generate the overall master PDF. So there's the master report that was printed out. It is not restricted. And we could also print quote with pricing, look A, and generate that one also. So that is how we can restrict access to specific reports based on the security group the user has been joined to. If you have any questions, please contact support@flexrentalsolutions.com. Thanks. Bye-bye.